Hello friends, here I am at DJI again. This time we are testing our HCI-3000, which is a triple unit built out of 3 HCI-1000. We actually have propane at the lower stage, and then we have 2 isobutane stages and delivering around 2 megawatt of heat right now. The main application here is data centers, where we believe this solution could be extremely interesting. And I'm actually standing with the unit fully running here, so it's extremely silent.
All right, so I want to put the unit in a service mode. Do that in here, service, and on. Now I have 30 seconds. Now I can remove the panel and take notice of the difference in sound.